Today we're going to be making Ochazuke, a traditional Japanese lunch, and I think it's a great thing for a college student to make in your dorm. You can do this without pots or pans, under 10 bucks. It's really easy, so let's do it. So first, I'm just going to show the ingredients. I got some smoked salmon. Normally you would grill the salmon, but I feel like if you're a college student, you probably don't have access to cooking your fish, or if you do, everybody else in your hall is gonna hate you. So we're just gonna get something that is already edible, and it's like $5. Just some green tea, and then these little packages of nori, which is seaweed, and those cost like under $1. You can get like a generic version at Kroger or Target or something for under $1, I'm pretty sure. First, we're just gonna start with the rice and boiling the water for our tea, which you could do with a rice cooker or a microwave, all kinds of ways. So first I'm just gonna strain my rice a little bit, get rid of some of the excess starch, which I honestly never do this, you don't have to. All right, into a pot, and then that was about 3/4 cup of rice, so I'll do just like a cup of water, like a cup and a fourth. So a good way to make rice on the stove is just to bring it to a boil, and then once it's at a boil, you turn it down to simmer, and then the residual heat from it boiling is just going to steam, and that's gonna cook the rice without making it burn on the bottom. So while we're doing that, we're just gonna boil some water. And I guess while I'm cooking everything in my kitchen, I'm just gonna roast some of these sesame seeds. You can already buy them pre-roasted, I think. But this is gonna give it a little more flavor, a little nuttiness. Pour all my sesame seeds in that skillet. We just wanna get a little toastiness here. We don't wanna burn them. I learned yesterday I have an overhead light underneath the microwave. I think that's what we want. It was like completely white before. Now we got some brown in there. Let's see if I can not pour burning sesame seeds on my hand. Next, while we're waiting on the other stuff to finish, I'm just going to prepare the rest of it.
Seaweed, 50% sea, 50% weed.
So I'm gonna start with the nori. So you get these nice little sheets here, and I love these, they're a great snack. You're just gonna thinly slice them. My rice is ready. You can tell you need to lift the lid when it's like about to blow off, so that should be plenty. And then you got all this to snack on. NONI? And then I'm just gonna separate the salmon. Yeah, it comes in this like weird patty, but it's already sliced, so you can just kind of peel the little slices off. I'm just doing this so that it's gonna be easy to plate. Now we're just waiting for our rice to finish and our water to boil so we can make our tea, and then we'll be ready to go, ready to plate. All right, so our water is boiled, so we're gonna make our tea while we're waiting on the rice to finish. We have like a minute or two left on the rice, and then our tea takes 3 minutes to brew, so. So 3-minute timer on the tea. I'll lift it a couple times just to fluff it up a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bottom. I turned the burner completely off at this point because I think the residual heat is enough. You can see it's still steaming there. All right, it's been 3 minutes, so yeet that tea bag out of here. Got a green tea. And we have our rice, nice and fluffy. College diet, baby, rice and beans. So now, the salmon. Get the nori in there. Green tea. And it wouldn't be dinner by Dennis if I didn't forget ingredients at the end. So, sesame seeds. And more importantly, soy sauce. And there you go, Ochazuke. You have to eat this while it's hot. You know, you want the green tea to still be really hot, rice to be warm. You really need the soy sauce in there too. That's where most of the flavor is coming from. I see why people do grilled salmon though. That would add a little more flavor, but still pretty good, really healthy. Comment below with your favorite anime and I'll see you next time. Omae wa motion deru. NANI?